In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales order in Zoho Books, ensuring a more streamlined and efficient process for managing your sales transactions. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or simply looking to refresh your skills, this comprehensive guide will walk you through each step with ease. First, let's navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you'll find various tools and options for managing your financial transactions. Once you're at the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation pane and search for the Sales option. Clicking on Sales will reveal a drop-down menu with more detailed options. From this drop-down, you'll want to click on Sales Orders. This section is specifically designed for managing the creation, editing, and tracking of sales orders within Zoho Books. With the Sales Orders page open, you'll see an option to create a new sales order. Go ahead and click on Create New Sales Order. This is where you begin the process of inputting all necessary details for your sales transaction. Now that you're in the sales order creation form, the first action to take is selecting your customer. The customer information is crucial as it allows the system to automatically pull relevant details into the sales order form. This not only saves time but also reduces the chance of manual entry errors. If your customer list is extensive, utilize the search functionality to quickly locate the specific customer you're working with. Next, enter the sales order number. This can be auto-generated by Zoho Books, or you may choose to assign a custom number that aligns with your internal tracking system. Either way, ensuring each sales order has a unique identification number is essential for maintaining organized records. After assigning the sales order number, proceed to select the item or service being sold. Zoho Books allows you to search and select from your pre-existing list of items and services, ensuring that all relevant information, such as price and description, are automatically populated into the sales order. This helps maintain consistency and accuracy across transactions. Following item selection, it's time to input the quantity. Whether you're selling a single item or multiple units, make sure to double check the accuracy of the quantity information. This will directly impact the total amount calculated within the sales order, so precision is key. Once all the details are filled out, you have two options: save the sales order as a draft, or save and send it out. If you're still in the process of confirming some details or need further approvals, saving as a draft can be useful. However, if everything is set and ready to go, choosing to save and send will complete the process, sending the sales order to the customer directly. Thank you for joining me today as we walk through how to create a sales order in Zoho Books. This step-by-step guide aims to provide clarity and efficiency, ensuring your sales processes are as smooth as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed how-tos on using Zoho Books and other tools for your business needs.